5 ways to earn stars in Starbucks. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. As it's written in the Earning Stars article, you can earn stars by paying for your purchase with Starbucks card. When you pay with your digital Starbucks card in the app, you earn 2 stars for every $1 in the US. And also paying for your purchase with linked payment method. You can link a credit card, debit card, or mobile wallet to your account and use it to pay directly for your order through the app. And when you pay directly with a linked payment method, you will earn points. And also scanning your member barcode in the app and then paying with cash, credit card, debit card, or mobile wallet. Another way is by promotional bonus. Star offers from time to time. Starbucks or other acting with our permissions may offer opportunities to earn additional bonus star through special promotions. And the last one is partnership programs. If you're eligible, customer may earn stars through participation in partnership programs as well. And these are 5 ways to earn stars in Starbucks rewards. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.